Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and getting straight to Settings. Click the three-dot menu in the top right. Once there, choose Privacy and Security so you see cookie controls. Make sure Chrome is updated to the latest version because older builds may hide options or behave differently. Now, select Site Settings to reveal cookies and site data. This is where you'll enable third-party cookies. Don't skip updates. They prevent unexpected failures when toggling privacy controls. Once in cookies and site data, inspect the available behaviors and why they matter. Third-party cookies are blocked by default for privacy, but some services need them to function. Turn off Block third-party cookies to allow those external trackers to store data. If you prefer granularity, click Add under sites that can always use cookies and enter specific domains to whitelist. That way, you retain broad privacy while enabling functionality for trusted sites. Make sure to finish by restarting Chrome so the new cookie rules apply cleanly. Some sites require a fresh session to behave correctly. Once done, visit the target site and test features that needed third-party cookies. If something still fails, open an incognito window to rule out extensions and make sure you've whitelisted the correct domain. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear cookies and site data for that specific site, then reload. This often removes stale tokens and resolves permission conflicts without changing global settings.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.